Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Red EDC. Well, it is time to give away this very, very good looking Queen knife. Queen USA, of course, does come in this really nice tin. Queen USA, very cool. Absolutely. But Queen, it's modern Barlow, as I said in my review, M390 steel. This micarta, very nice. We got some fingerprints. Get them off there. It'll be nice and clean before we give it away. But, you know, for me, I would remove the clip, but it does come with a clip. So if you so choose to carry it like that, very good. It's your choice. It'll be your knife. Do with it as you please, as you should. But overall, really nice knife. I do like it. You know, it's a little bit lighter on the pull. It's a little, I wouldn't necessarily call it spongy, but it's not as snappy. It's not as snappy as some ones I've seen. Is it bad? No, I don't call it bad. No, I know there was a couple people that thought it was, you know, a little too little. Nah, I don't think so. It's just not as snappy as others. It's dropped shut, goes into the half stop pretty well. But overall, I did like this knife. Sans the clip. Take the clip off, and then it's great. But let's tell you what, let's not fool around. You know, let's just get to the laptop. Let's give this thing away. So, I'll be right back, guys. All right, so here we go. We are grabbing the URL. Take it over, plug it in. Scrolling, filtering, getting. What do we got? 62. Right on. Very, very cool. All right. As you all know, guys, once again, well, I don't advertise these as giveaways, so it's usually all you that watch all the time to get this. So you pretty much know the deal. It's U.S. addresses only. If for some reason I shall pick a winner that does not have a U.S. address or a U.S. proxy address, yeah, we'll probably draw again. It's just kind of the way it goes. But, so, good luck. Let's find out who shall win the Queen. Who shall it be? Byron Kennedy. Mr. Splitting Slices. Love the burlap micarta look and feel. And who doesn't like a Barlow with pocket clip or slip? One's choice. That's very true. It's very true. Personally, for me, I would just probably remove this clip and slip carry it. But hey, it's got a clip on it if that's what you want to do. So there you go. Congratulations, Mr. Byron. I tell you what. Okay. So we got it out here. Tomorrow is April Fool's Day. So I tell you what, Byron, I will give you until 10 p.m. Pacific time on the 3rd. I don't think we'll have much problem getting this one delivered. But just for the sake of argument, 10 p.m. Pacific time on Thursday the 3rd, email me at bigrededc@gmail.com, and we will get you taken care of, my friend. Get you a Queen knife out to you. So, as always, guys, next month's knife is already on the way. It's just kind of the way it's worked out. So, very cool. I'm excited to check it out and to share it with you guys and end up giving it away. You guys using those affiliate links, it's what makes these giveaways possible. So, greatly appreciate every single one of you. Keep using those links. I'll keep giving away knives. So, have a great rest of your day, guys. As always, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.